Oh, no.
These boards either held up a sign that said "Don't enter" that someone ripped down.
They definitely did.
Or they're just here for decoration. I think they were here for decoration. Follow me.
This doesn't look creepy at all.
Hey, everyone. For 1,000 years, they've harvested salt from the salt mine.
This is a dark chocolate sea salt Feastables bar. Hear me out. Why don't we put more salt on our seashell bar?
Straight from the source.
That's so good. Whoa! It tastes really good.
And after climbing multiple sets of stairs,
Where is this leading us?
I'm not sure.
going where we probably shouldn't,
Wait, what does this say? Do not pass. What does that mean? Carl, put your hands like this.
dude.
We probably can't put this on camera.
As eerie as those tunnels were, the creepiest were still yet to come. But for now, we headed back to camp.
As you can see, Gideon joined us in the bed ring. Tomorrow's gonna be a fun day. We have a super special guest. We'll see you in the morning.
Alright, it's the start of day 3, and you know what that means. Let's go see who the special guest of the day is. Send them down!
I see a shadow. There he is.
Is it Kai?
Maybe it's Speed.
I see 3 shadows! There's 2 of them! Today, the 2 guests are... Sam and Colby! If you don't know already, Sam and Colby specialize in exploring abandoned and haunted places. So it will be interesting to see what they think when we explore this 1,000-year-old tunnel system.